What's the meaning of brochure? Brochure. Brochure.
Brochure. Brochure. A brochure is a type of informational document that typically includes a combination of text and graphic elements, such as photographs, illustrations, and charts. Brochures are often used by businesses and organizations as a way to promote their products or services, provide information about their mission and values, or communicate important updates or news to customers and stakeholders. They may be printed on paper and distributed in person, or made available as digital copies online. Overall, brochures serve as a convenient and visually appealing way to convey information to a wide audience in a concise and engaging format.